Want to understand how evyAI credits work and how to use premium features like image generation and enrichment? Here's how evyCoin works inside evyAI. evyCoin is the in-app currency used to power certain features. Some features inside evyAI require external AI tools to run, which come with real costs. Instead of including those costs in a higher subscription, evyAI uses coins so you only pay for what you use. For example, when you generate an image, that uses coins. When you enrich a contact profile to find details like email, phone number, or insights, that also uses coins. To use these features, simply open the evyAI side panel or web app. Select a feature like image generator or enrichment. Then click Generate or Run. evyAI will automatically deduct the required number of coins from your account. Each feature has a fixed cost. Creating an image typically uses 10 coins. Enriching a profile uses around 5 coins. You'll always see your coin balance inside your account, so you know exactly what you're using. If you're on a subscription plan, things work a little differently. Posts, comments, messages, and AI writer content become unlimited. You don't need coins for those anymore. On top of that, your account receives coins automatically every month or year, depending on your plan. This means you can continue using premium features like images and enrichment without interruption. If you need more coins, you can purchase them anytime. Purchased coins stay in your account and can be used whenever you need them. Even if your subscription ends, your coins remain available. Just keep in mind that coins may expire after a period of time, so it's best to use them regularly. As evyAI continues to grow, more features will be powered by evyCoin. This includes things like automation, AI workflows, and advanced content tools. With evyAI, you can use powerful features like image generation and enrichment in a flexible and transparent way, paying only for what you actually use, all in just a few clicks.